What's going on, and welcome back to Miss Survival. This is X here, and I recorded a couple days ago and realized that the audio was not great, so I didn't put that up. So my girlfriend got on, and she found this place, and she kind of moved everything over in here, so I don't have to do it, but we'll have to do a little bit of organizing. She did most of it, so I won't have to do too much. But as you can see, my thirst is very low. So our goal is to go out on an exploring trip and try and find some water. I want to... What happened here? That's odd. Did we go back here? So I gotta go find water. I gotta find parts for that truck. I gotta get an axe. So there's a lot to do. And I don't know if you can craft an axe. I have no weapons. So yeah, this is gonna pretty much be a grind. I want to find a chicken too, so we're not as lonely. Finding the hostages, that would be cool too, but I'm not prepared for them. Alright, clearly all these cars do not have anything. So we'll just check down here. I'll bring you guys back if I find something. Stone. Pretty sure I can use a hard stick as a weapon. Nope. Can't use physics in this game. Oh shit. Get up there. So, say hello to Mr. Bear. I'm kind of trapped right now. I don't know. Go, Bear. I'm gonna try and sneak away. Oh wait, you know what? I think if I just run straight, it can't get me. Try it. Go! Run! Run! I'm not gonna look back. They sound brutal when they are running at you. Gonna jump up here quick. Just want to make sure that he's not coming. Whew. That was close. It's empty. What is that? Pepsi? What does that say? How do I crouch? There we go. Sunny soda. I think that's Pepsi. Same thing. We need to find some more parts for that car. Or truck. Okay. Not much I could have done with that bear. I'm not prepared to take it on. Pick up the feathers and the leaves. Want to make sure he's not on my tail. What's this place? I don't think we were here. Maybe we were. Hello? Knock knock. Yeah, I'm not seeing any loot, so I am sure we were here. There's a dumpster. Lone dumpster. Ooh, a building. We got a building up here. We got a building. Whoa. Yeah, I definitely was not here. There's nothing in there. What about over here? Anything in the... Nope. I think this is one of those houses that have the infected inside. Hello? Yep. I can't take them on. I don't have any weapons. Oh shit! Whoa, he scared me. I'll check the garage. It might be locked. Ooh, a tire! Sweet, and another engine. Great, we got 3 tires. No spark plugs or anything. Oh, that's locked. Blueberry. Should have made a bucket. I could have collected some water. Obviously not around here because there is no water. Ooh, a chicken! Papa! Can you understand me? Look at the lone chicken. Aww. Come back. Come here. Why are you running? How do I tame you or pick you up or whatever the heck you do in this game? Come here. Here, let's try and crouch once. Bark, bark. Bark, bark. Nope, that didn't work. Alright, we'll come back for you. I don't know how to get you. Let's try and go this way. This is nice open area. I want to really find one of those ranger stations or whatever they're called, lookout towers, because they have weapons, well, guns most likely. Nothing's up that way. They need binoculars in this game too. That would be pretty cool. Blueberry. Branch. Stone. Where? There's a lookout tower. I can't tell if that's the mist or just the fog. Guess we'll find out. I think it's just the fog. Can I drink that water? Will I die, or is that not a thing? Big lake though. I want to drink it. Oh, I should have brought my water bottles. But I don't want to. You didn't have to drink that much. Oh, that. Okay. That didn't really hurt me at all. I'll probably know about it later when I'm hitting the shitter. But let's continue going up this way. I'll bring you guys back if I find another building. Like, this is all unexplored. I've never been up here, so what's new to you is new to me. Hey, look, we found something. What is it though? Oh, it's a bandit camp. Oh yeah, it is. Unless that's just another military place. Blueberry. Let's check this school bus, see what's in the bus. I don't remember how to get the flashlight out. Let me look it up quick. Key mapping, flashlight, L. Oh. Okay. Get in there. Can I get in the back? Crouch. Jump. Crouch. Uncrouch. Guess not. Alright. We're gonna go up here. I'm thinking it's not a bandit camp because there would be bandits out here. So we'll head up there as soon as we're done checking out here. Yeah, it doesn't look like a bandit camp, but it does look promising. So we'll see what we got. Just be cautious. Ooh, there's the fourth tire. Sweet. Well, we got the fourth tire. Now we just need a spark plug. Nothing. What is this? Machete. We got a weapon. Anything in here? Storage box. Loot all. Okay, let's check this table. Each one is lootable, which is pretty good. We just gotta make sure the mist doesn't roll in, because that would be bad. And more ammo. Nice. Oh, look at this. We got another box up here. Now I can't get up though. Can I get up here? And then jump. Get up here. And jump. Nice! And I'm not going to take any of that because I am limited room. Actually, I'm going to eat these berries. Not all of them though. Just 2. I am so happy we just need that spark plug. And here's another trunk. More ammo. Loot all of that. Alright, let's go over here. It'd be really nice to find a revolver. I don't know if I have revolver ammo though. Yep, 5. Reload that. Alright, we're gonna savor those ammo. We'll go back up to that. Tomato seed sack. Hey, we could plant tomatoes. Let's Go up here now. This was a nice find. Just gotta see if there's... I feel like I'm still crouching. Nope. Alright, let's just travel down here. Oh, I gotta watch out for bear. I don't know where they're at. Tree bark. Oh, here's a house. That looks like it'd be a bandit camp. But I said that about the last one too. No. I'm approaching. Oof. Yeah, come on. Should I use the revolver on them? Come on. I want in that house. Hey. Damn it! Stuff now. Alright, I made it back to, my stuff. I'm just gonna pick everything up. Except the sticks. Painkillers. I'm gonna just pick up what I need. Leaves are pretty tough to come by when you don't have an axe. I mean, I guess sticks would be too, but hey, whatever. Okay, so I killed these two. There might still be more upstairs. I don't know. I only have one bullet left too. Ooh, suitcase. I need that salt. I'm gonna put the hard sticks in here. What else? Nothing. Here, how about I just take the suitcase with me? So we'll put all my ammo in there, along with these components. This tire, so I don't lose that. And the seeds, so I can get that going. So we'll come down for that then. I'm gonna check these cabinets. We got some food, or some drinks, some matches. Oh, a nice clean white shirt, but we don't need that. Oil. Some more matches. Did I check these? Yeah. Nothing else. Somebody left their coffee here. Mm-hmm. Whoa, rifle ammo. Can't wait to find my rifle. That's going right in this. Okay, let's go upstairs. Hopefully there's nothing up here. Oh, that's locked. I don't have a crowbar. I'm scared. Food poisoning. Hey, we have antibiotics, so treatment. Use it. Cannot increase hunger and thirst value as usual. Can be increased. Only 60%. Maximum food poisoning may be caused by eating unhealthy foods or contain. Oh, yeah. See, I told you I'd pay for it later. Alright. I'm healing though, so that's a good thing. Okay. Let's continue checking this stuff out. That's it. You know something has to be in here.
You can use a crowbar to unlock it.
Yeah.
With a crowbar.
Well, now we know.
Check that last cabinet. I don't know if you checked that.
No rifle ammo. Pair of batteries. See, I don't know what to use them for, so I'm not gonna get them. Put the rifle ammo in here, and let's bring the case with us. We're just gonna put that right there, so we can do our loot. Let's check this car. Spark plug, we got it! Sweet! No, not sweet. I can't. It's a bandit camp. Nice and easy, bear. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Bear crawls. Oh shit, there it is. Go! You scared me, bear. Oh yeah? Oh, look at that. It's not even phasing him. I killed it with a machete! Oh my god. Oh my goodness, I am just beat to shit. Treatment, animal attack. I don't have a bandage. Okay, oh shit. Alright, well, I am not dying. Oh, I should butcher that bear, though. Since I killed it with a machete. Truck's right down here, and here's the old base. I'm just gonna... Oh, I'm gonna throw the lockers in the bed of the truck. So I'll bring the truck up here. I just want to set this as my base, just in case I die. Okay, let's pick out the spark plug, the tires, and the gas. Pop the hood. Spark plug goes in. 3 minutes to do. And tire, 10 minutes. Jeez. Oh, I passed out. Revive. See? Oh, you just... Mouse isn't gonna work right now? What the hell? There we go. See, I played that out smart. Now look, I'm pretty well good, I guess. It said I was missing some other stuff. Pick up that leaf though. Oh, there's something under there. Wait, it said pick up antibiotics. Throw the other tire in there. Proceed. Then we put the gas, fill the tank. Bring that gas out. Fill the tank. We got 3 liters in there. Move this and put it in the bed. Engine start. Look at that. R is light. And we're off. But I want to go down here. How do you space? Okay, space is brake. Trying to find. It'd be nice for a third person view for this. Whoa! Exit car. Look at that. That is freaking great. Gives off extreme light. We're gonna bring this. Alright, guys, we got the truck. We're gonna head back to base now. Whoa. Oof. Whoops. What? I'm stuck now. You can't go that way. Can I go over the trash? Barely. Holy crap. Alright, we made it. Let's go. We're just gonna haul ass there. No, we're not. Brake! Whoa! It's gonna take some time getting used to this. I don't like how the view is though. That kind of sucks. I just hauled ass past the bandit camp. No care in the world. See, there's gotta be a better way to get down to the house. Well, it is dark too, so you gotta give me the benefit of the doubt. Exit. Okay. Open up that door. That door can be open a little bit more. Or not. F. Oh, it's a tight one. And engine off. Light is R. Exit is F. Look at that. Okay. So, we're gonna end it right there. Alright. We got the truck, finally. Now it should make traveling a little easier. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna lock that up. There we go. So if you guys like this one, you can like, comment, and subscribe. You can also check out my Instagram. That will be in the description. And Twitter will be there too. Look at the stars. Anyway, see you in the next one. Peace.